Hello, I'm here to show you how to use this DIY budgeting sheet from Fiverr.com. Please see the link below in the description. The first FAQ on here says, where should I start on this sheet? That is a very good question. So the first thing you want to do is to determine your pay periods. So you see this whole thing, this whole sheet, it's a little bit confusing at first, but you'll understand it soon enough. You'll notice that there's pay periods, pay period 1, pay period 2, pay period 3, etc. Next to those pay periods, you see a days and then some numbers for January, but then for February, you don't have anything. And it's the same like that for the rest of the year. So what these are the pay period ranges. And what I mean when I say that is these are pre-filled examples based on the average person who is paid every Friday every week at their job. Now, not everyone's paid Friday, but this is just pre-filled as an example. So a pay period is basically the range in between paydays, and that is what you want to determine for the entire year for this budgeting sheet when you first start. Before you do anything else, this is what you do. So let's say we're looking at the year 2023 as it's laid out in calendar format. If you are paid every Friday, that means your first pay period is going to be starting on January 6th, because that's your first Friday of the year, first Friday of January. And then it's going to go all the way until the 12th. So your first pay period 1, is going to be 6 to the 12th. So you just put that right here, 6 to the 12th. And then pay period 2, is going to be the 13th to the 19th. So you're going to have Friday 13th, and then it's going to go to the day before the following Friday. So it's going to be 13th to the 19th, and then you have 20th to the 26th, and then your last pay period 4, is going to be 27th till the February 2nd. And that's why it looks like this. That's why you have these ranges here. Now you'll notice that each month, however, it's not pre-filled like January's is. And that is because not everyone's paid every Friday. So let's say you buy this sheet and then you see these numbers. Do not use these numbers if you're paid in a different way. So let's say you're paid every Thursday, for example. That means that your pay period 1 is going to be January 5th to the 11th, 12th to the 18th, 19th to the 25th, and then you're going to have 26 till the 1st. So that is, you will just change these numbers relevant to your situation. Now, if you are paid, let's say you're paid bi-weekly and you're not paid weekly, in that case, for example, if you're paid every other Friday, and it's starting on January 6th, that means that your pay period is actually going to be January 6th all the way till January 19th. And then likewise, January 20th, when you're paid again, is going to be pay period 2, and it's going to be all the way till February 2nd. Now, how you handle this, how bi-weekly and monthly paid people, how they handle this sheet is going to be dealt with in another video. But this is your first step, is determining your pay periods. If you're paid bi-weekly or monthly, etc., please see the following video, part 2.